We're at an impasse and we're at the end of the value proposition of systems engineering. I truly
Mm,
believe this. We had automation engineering. The way I described this kind of at the highest level of abstraction is for a long time, you had to go turn the valve by hand. And then we had
right. Yeah.
automation
Yeah.
engineering where you could push a button and the valve turned.
Uh
And
huh.
then we
Uh
had
huh.
supervisory control. We had SCADA systems and industrial control systems where you could push a button on a screen. So it's not even a real button, and then the supervisory control automated all of the valves and pumps that were supposed to come on to actually accomplish a function.
Hmm.
Now we've added AI on top of that, so that the AI can decide when and why the supervisory
Yeah.
control should align the system. And that's working. That's not working out really well. Every new, and I'm going to just give practical examples, right? Every new major industrial system is taking way longer than they should, sometimes longer than their loans. If you think about something like building the nuclear power plant in Vogtle, like a bankrupted Westinghouse, right? If you think about the latest naval aircraft carrier, the Ford class carrier ended up almost 6, 7, 8 years late. So
Mhm.
the most complicated systems we want to build now using systems engineering as the design principle to lay out these system level industrial controls, they're all going late. They're all going over budget. And what systems engineering did for us was it was humanity's only been building stuff out of software for 60 years, Reed. It's crazy to
Mhm.
think
Mhm.
about that. And we built all
Yeah.
of civilization on that 60
Yeah.
years worth of
Yeah.
experience. And the last
Yeah.
30 years or so, we've used systems engineering to define the requirements for how the software and the machine were supposed to work together.
Yeah. Yep.
And we're starting to see less than good outcomes over budget, over years, over time. And it just doesn't work like we wanted it to. And we're back into a
Mhm.
multi-year fixing process.